Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the SLLEA 8-inch, 3.5mm, 6-foot male-to-male audio line out to input cord, specifically designed for use with certain Vizio soundbar models like the VSB206, VSB206B, VSB205, and VSB 232-inch home theater soundbars. This is essentially a standard auxiliary cable, but tailored by SLLEA for compatibility and performance with these particular Vizio units. The cable measures a convenient 6 feet in length, offering a good amount of flexibility for connecting your audio source, whether it's a phone, tablet, computer, or other device with a 3.5mm audio output, to your compatible Vizio soundbars input. The connectors are standard 3.5mm male plugs on both ends. SLLEA positions itself as a brand determined to be professional in wires and chargers, and they highlight industry quality for this cable. While some of the listed features like over-voltage protection and overheat protection seem more applicable to power supplies, which the brand also deals with, the cable itself is described as heat-resistant. This suggests a focus on durable materials that can withstand typical operating conditions without degradation. The core function is to provide a clean audio signal path from your device to the soundbar. For soundbars that feature enhancements like bass boost, a reliable cable like this ensures that the audio signal is transmitted accurately, allowing the soundbar's features to perform as intended. One of the standout aspects mentioned by SLLEA is their warranty policy. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 60-day free exchange with a paid return label, and a 360-day anytime worry-free warranty. This level of support indicates confidence in their product and provides peace of mind for the buyer. If there are any questions or concerns, they encourage customers to reach out, emphasizing their availability to help. This commitment to customer service adds significant value to what might otherwise seem like a simple accessory purchase. Overall, for owners of the specified Vizio soundbars needing a replacement or a new 3.5mm audio connection, this SLLEA cable presents itself as a quality option backed by a strong warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.